Tolaccea sent us this backpack for our review, and I'm literally going to open it up and we're going to check it out for the very first time together. I am no stranger to their backpacks. I actually have a couple other ones of theirs, and they are fantastic. I am always on the hunt for the perfect travel backpack, and I literally have to hunt no more now that I have these. These are so fantastic. This can fit a 15.6-inch laptop, and it also can expand from 35 liters up to 45 liters because it is one of those expandable backpacks, which is really great. And I do love, that's one of the things that's always really funny when you first get them, because I'm like, how do you even open this? I love when you're not using it, you can like just fold it down and it becomes like this tiny little bag, but then just trying to figure out how to actually open it always takes me like a second. So we've got these wrapped around, there we go. So that just kind of folds up into itself. There we go. And it's crazy to see like how it was folded in half, and then just to see how like absolutely massive it is. So so many different compartments, don't even know where to begin. Obviously you've got your great compartment here in the front. I do love that they have one of these little clips in here, because when I'm traveling, obviously I usually take like my house keys with me, and then I just like to clip them inside my bag and then forget about them, and I don't want to have to go digging for them after. So that's always great. So we've got that one there. Let's check out this compartment. So this one zips all the way down here. And then as you can see, this one here, oh, this is really nice because it's kind of like that cooler type. So obviously it's going to be like leak proof, but on top of that, it can keep things warm or cold, which will be really fantastic. Oh, and that goes deep too. That, oh, look at this. I didn't even realize that pops right up there. So you've got that really nice deep pocket down there. You also have the little okay, oh no, that's just the, I thought it was actually a compartment for a charger, so never mind that one. Oh, and this is where it expands. So let's close it up so that you can actually see the difference. So you just need to zip the sides, and it will make it actually your bag smaller. So let's say at the beginning of your trip when you have less items, maybe you haven't done any shopping yet, and you just kind of close that up here. Let's get the zipper around. Obviously, because this has been folded for so long, it's a little bit tough, but once you start using it and it kind of, you know, gets those grooves in there, it'll be a lot easier. So let's zip this. Already you can just see like how small it is in comparison. So again, it goes from 35 liters to 45 liters, which is massive. Okay, so now I've completely zipped it up. So as you can see, it is a lot smaller here on the side, and then once you're traveling, if you need some more space, you unzip that, and then you'll see the difference. And then you've got all that extra space there that just kind of expands, so I think that's really cool. All right, let's check out this compartment here. This is where all the magic happens. So we've got this compartment, and you've got your zip right here. This is, check this out. So this is perfect for all of your clothing, and this is kind of like one of the main parts that's going to expand there. So you can kind of put all your clothing in that part here. And then you've got, of course, your little zippers here. I love putting like techier cords and stuff like that. This one, I love that they have this zipper on here. So this one here is completely waterproof. So this one's really great for toiletries, or let's say you're going like camping or you're swimming. You can put like wet socks, a wet bathing suit, stuff like that in here, so it's not going to get like gross and touch all of your other items. And of course you've got this nice little like cushiony spot here. And then this might actually be, I need to double check. Oh, and then you've got the other side here. So then you've got another compartment here. Like these two compartments are massive for your clothing. Like check that out. You've got this side here, and then right here is where your laptop is going to go, and you've got like that nice cushion inside there, so you know it's going to be nice and protected. And then you just kind of zip that up in there. So oh my goodness, so many zippers. And then the back, of course, you've got these really great straps here. These are padded, which is really nice, because obviously, you know, things, if you are using this, you know, like for a weekend bag or camping or travel and stuff like that, it will tend to get heavy. So having that nice padding there is definitely helpful. And you've got the padding on the back, and then of course you've got like these little here which help with like ventilation, which is really great. You've got all the different straps. I do love that you have the straps so you can actually attach it around your waist so that it can help with the weight and help distribute that as well. So yeah, honestly, this is like the perfect all-in-one travel backpack. It is fantastic and will hold literally everything that you need.